In this video, we're going to look at calculating area and perimeters of compound shapes. If you're revising, pause the video and have a go at examples 1 and 2. Okay, in example 1, we have to find the perimeter of the shaded shape. So we need to know these distances here. There's 4 distances to work out. I do know that the distance between the two lines is 2. So this and this would be 2. So 2 for the bottom here and here. I now then need to work out this one. That is half of a full circle, half of the circumference. So if I work out the circumference of that circle, I can half it to work out this distance here. So let's call this the circumference of the inner circle, the one on the inside. So pi d. So that would be pi multiplied by, and what is the diameter of that in circle there? Well, it's 7 and 7, which is 14. So that gives you 14 pi. You can leave it as 14 pi. That's what I would do. I'll just do this one in decimals for those who don't like that so much. 43.98. Now that would be the full circumference. So this here is just an arc. It's half of it. So I'll come back to that later on. The circumference of the outside bit then is also pi d. That would be pi times, and what's the diameter of the outside one? Well, the outside circle, if you go the whole way across, would be 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2, which is 18. So that would give you 18 pi. And that 2dp is 56.55. So, what is the total perimeter then? You're going to add the 2 and the 2. We don't need the full 43.98. That's the full circumference of the inside one. We'd have to half that because we only want half the way around the circle. And same with the 56.25. We only want half of that too. So 43.98 divided by 2 plus 56.25 divided by 2 plus the 4 gives 54.12 to 2 dp. And that is perimeter in meters. Okay. Question 2. Find the area of the shape below if it is in the shape of a square of side 36 meters and 3 semicircles. So the side is 36 meters. That's 36 here, 36, 36, and 36. We're trying to find out the area. Let's get the area of the square. I can work that out. That's 36 by 36. And that gives 1,296. Now we've got these semicircles. Let's forget about the fact that they're semicircles for a minute. Let's just look at it one as a full circle. How do we find the area of a full circle? Area of a circle is pi r squared. So pi multiplied by the radius. What is the radius of that circle? The diameter is 36, so the radius is half of 36, which is 18. Pi times 18 squared. That gives 324 pi. I'll just leave it as 324 pi and keep it in terms of pi for this question. Now that's for a full circle. A semicircle is going to be half of that. So half of 324 pi is 162 pi. The total area then is going to be the area of the square, 1296, plus we have 3 semicircles. So 3 multiplied by 162 pi. 3 times 162 pi plus 1296 gives 2822.81.